video, I'll be showing you how you can automate content creation using Layerre, Zapier, Airtable, and Canva. So let's get started. So for this automation, it's going to get a new record from Airtable and create a new variant of your design using Layerre, and your design is created in Canva. So what you'll need for this tutorial is you'll need a Canva design where you want to change elements from it based on Airtable. So I'm going to be changing the image and the text based on Airtable entries. Then you're going to need an Airtable table. So I have one column for text and one column for images, URLs. And these are just pick some images that are random each time. There we go. So first off, I wanted to mention that we do have a template for this workflow here in the integrations tab. So here's the link, and we can click try this template. So first, you're gonna connect Airtable to your account. So I've already done so here. Went to the next page. Then, oh, looks like I need to reconnect. So I'll reconnect to, oh, I already went on the second step. I wanted to go on this one. Yeah, there we go. Airtable. So we've connected the Airtable account. I can select my workspace, the table I want, which is table 2 on Airtable. And these you can leave. And I can test the trigger that it was able to pull records. So here, yeah, it was able to pull my text and my image from one of the rows. So then I can continue. Then it goes to the create variant block. So you'll need to connect your account. So I'll click reconnect. You'll need an API key. So you can get it from the Layerre dashboard, API keys, add new. You can name it something, like I'll say Airtable, because I'm using it for Airtable. Copy that. And go back to the connect page. And you can enter it in the API key field and say like Zapier Layerre. This should go back. This is the old one. There we go. I'm connected. Now we can configure our variant creation. The first thing it asks you is for a template ID. Right now I don't have any templates. To create one, you need to go to your Canva design that you want to make variants of. Click share. Anyone with the link can view. Copy link. Then when you go back to the dashboard, you can enter that URL in this field, and this will create a Layerre template for you. And there we go. So now if I go back to Zapier, I can refresh and it'll pull up my template. Then I can add what overrides I want. So I want to override the text. And I also want to override the image. Here it has 2 images, so how I can find out which one is, I can click on the image I want, and I see it's titled Image Layer 2. Of course, I can rename it as well. So Image Layer 2. So those are the 2 overrides I want. For the text override, I want it to be the Airtable text column. And for the image override, I want the image URL of Airtable image URL column. So if I click continue, I can create a test variant. If I test the step, let's see what I get. Okay, in the response, you get a variant URL. If I paste this in the browser, we get the changed image and the changed text. Perfect. And now you can test run, and you can run it on different records or any new records that show up in your Airtable. That's it for this tutorial. Hope it was helpful, and thank you so much.